Hey everyone, today we're going to talk about something really meaningful, human flourishing. Human flourishing is all about living a good and balanced life, not just being happy, but also growing as a person, building good relationship and reaching our full potential. In this blog, I'll be sharing what human flourishing means to me, how I truly to live it every day, and we can all do to achieve it. So sit back, relax, and let's explore together how can we live a life that's not just about surviving, but truly flourishing. The first picture is community and connection. This image depicts a diverse group of people spanning generations, joyfully harvesting vegetables together in a garden. Human flourishing is deeply intertwined our social nature, strong supportive communities and meaningful connection with others foster a sense of belonging, shared purpose, and emotional well-being, which are crucial components of a flourishing life. In the second picture, learning and growth. This image with its building blocks and books symbolize the continuous pursuit of knowledge and personal development. A key aspect of human flourishing is the capacity of lifelong learning, acquiring new skills, and engaging in intellectual curiosity. This ongoing growth contributes to social actualization and the ability to adapt and thrive in an ever-changing world. This third picture, purpose and contribution. Here, an older woman shares a freshly picked tomato with a child, embodying the idea of purpose through contribution and mentorship. Human flourishing often involves finding meaning in activities that extend beyond oneself, whether through creative endeavors, helping others, or contributing to a cause greater than individual gain. This sense of purpose provides direction and deep satisfaction. Fourth picture, well-being and resilience. This image of a person meditating peacefully amid a serene yet slightly challenging natural environment. Its rain represents mental and emotional well-being and resilience. Flourishing individuals possess the capacity to navigate life challenges, maintain a positive outlook, and recover from adversity. Practice like mindfulness and connection with nature contribute to this inner strength. For the last picture is autonomy and self-direction. This image of a person standing at crossroads or on a path confidently looking ahead represent autonomy and the freedom or pursue self-choosing goals. A central component of human flourishing is having the ability and capacity to make choices that genuinely reflect one's own values and interests. When individuals feel they are the authors of their own lives and progressing towards goals they have personally set, like career, personal project, or lifestyle, it generates a deep sense of satisfaction, competence, and fulfillment. This freedom to be self-directed is essential for a truly flourishing life.